Hello, Mare. Nabalitaan mo na ba na usong-uso ang online selling ngayon? Nakapagbenta ka na ba online? Yan ang magandang tanong. Hello po, ako si Liz Aquino uli and I am the founder of Amazon Nation. So, ang pinakamagandang tanong siguro dyan is, why sell locally kung pwede ka naman magbenta globally? Right? So, ang pangalawang tanong naman is, kung magbenta ako locally, saan ako pwedeng magbenta? Yan. And of course, our answer is Amazon. Magbenta ka sa Amazon. Bakit ba? Bakit ba sa Amazon ako pwedeng magbenta? Well, ganito lang naman siya. Isipin mo na way back 2016, meron ng 300 million. Ulitin ko 300 million active subscribers ang Amazon. Ibig sabihin po nun, nakakasa na yung credit card nila sa Amazon and with just one click, they can buy. Wala nang COD, walang masyadong ma-return, naliligaw na mga riders, ganyan. Dahil, well, nandun yung credit card nila Nakukunin ni Amazon ang bayad sa kanila bago pa i-deliver yung item. Alright, so, meron din namang 10 million Prime members. Ano ba yung sabihin ng Prime members? So, ito yung parang membership nila sa Amazon. Pag sinabing Prime member ka, you can actually get the product on the same day. Yeah! You don't have to wait 2 weeks. You don't have to wait 4 weeks for your product to arrive. You can have it within the day or next day. Right? And, nasabi ko ba sa inyo na from the survey, na tinitingnan namin 55% of the customers start product discovery on Amazon. Talagang pag meron silang gusto, lahat nagsisearch lang sila sa Amazon kung meron bang ganong item. And if meron ganong item, they will look for other products na nandun sa Amazon and eventually, doon nila na-discover na, oh, this is something new, this is something that I think could help me, could answer my problem, can solve something that I cannot solve in the past. So, yun po yung product discovery sa Amazon. At hindi lang yan. Meron silang 175 fulfillment centers. Siya yung fulfillment center. So, halimbawa ako, magbebenta ako sa Amazon. Tapos, nandito yung produkto ko sa Pilipinas. Ipapadala ko po siya sa iba't ibang fulfillment center or warehouse. So, pwede sa US, pwede kong padala sa Canada, sa India, sa Japan, sa Singapore, sa UAE, meron na ngayon. So, iba't iba siya. Sa US, hindi lang din isa yung fulfillment center niya. Meron sa Texas, sa LA, sa iba't iba pang lugar, right? So, there are 175. Isipin mo ganun kadaming warehouse, So, if you want to, in fact, kahit na walang fulfillment center dito sa Philippines, kung meron akong gustong bilhin sa Amazon and nandun yung product ko sa Amazon and in-enable ko ang international buying, then I can still get the product. Even if I buy here in the Philippines, they can ship it here in the Philippines. So, talagang hindi lang basta-basta na dito lang sa Pilipinas or sa US ka lang magbenta pag sinabi mo Amazon US, ang dami nilang fulfillment centers, okay? You can actually reach out to me. And speaking of fulfillment centers, meron din silang 18 global websites. 18 global websites, Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi lang Amazon US. Meron din, yung mga Singapore, Japan, Mexico, Canada. So, napakadami-dami po talagang global websites, And pwede kayong hindi lang magbenta sa US, pwede nyo rin siyang dalhin sa Australia, pwede nyo dalhin sa Japan, right? So, you can sell all across the globe. At hindi lang po yan, meron tayong 185 countries with loyal customers. As in, hindi lang sa US yung mga customer mo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kung hindi sa aman sulok ng mundo, pwede kang magkaroon ng customer. So now you know why I don't only sell locally, I sell international, and I make sure that I capitalize on the market that Amazon is giving me. That's the way how to create a brand, and that's the way how to think big, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Leshokino. Make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified whenever we release new YouTube videos. We are also on Facebook, so make sure that you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Amazon Asia. We don't just build brands, we change lives.